Hello everybody, here we are in Olivo, 21 Eccleston Street. I'm going to talk to you about a dish we made about 10 years ago when Olivo Carne was opened, that now become Oliveto. So we now decided to bring it here in Olivo because we do meat and fish, and this particular dish has a very strange story, how it happened. These are Culurgioneddus, the very small culurgiones, the typical Sardinian pasta, handmade. And one of my best friends, Sasha, who's a photographer, was pestering me about making tortellini in brodo. It's a typical Bolognese dish with a broth and etc., etc. So he was pestering me because he had this in Rome for many times and he loved it. So one day I sort of, okay, I'm going to do like a Sardinian version of it. And we decided to produce this homemade pasta filled with veal and served on a light broth. Fantastic, really good, nice clear broth, and you can see there's a lot of work in this to make this, a lot of labor intensive. Hope to see you very soon here, and I'm open to hear some comments about it. Thank you.